Have you noticed how DJI has been unusually quiet lately? That silence might actually be hiding one of the biggest drone launches we've seen in years. While everyone is focused on current models, new leaks suggest DJI is preparing something that could completely change what people expect. From a mid-range drone, the upcoming DJI Air 4 is already creating huge excitement among drone enthusiasts, filmmakers, and content creators. And if these leaks are accurate, this could be one of DJI's most impressive upgrades in a long time. But here's the interesting part. This isn't just another yearly refresh with a few small improvements. The latest rumors point toward meaningful changes that could make the Air 4 smarter, more powerful, and even more capable for both beginners and professionals. Better image quality, longer flight time, stronger obstacle avoidance, improved tracking, and a completely refined flying experience are all being discussed before DJI has even made an official announcement. So in today's video, we're going to break down everything we know so far about the DJI Air 4. We'll look at the biggest leaked features, the expected camera upgrades, flight performance, battery life, intelligent flying modes, possible release date, expected price, and whether this drone is actually worth waiting for. Keep watching until the end because some of the latest rumors could completely change the way you look at DJI's next drone. The DJI Air series has always been one of the most balanced product lines in the drone industry. It offers professional-level features without reaching the premium price of the Mavic series, making it a favorite for travel filmmakers, YouTubers, photographers, and anyone who wants incredible image quality in a compact design. Every generation has pushed the limits a little further. And now all eyes are on what DJI plans to do next. Although DJI hasn't officially revealed the Air 4 yet, several industry reports and supply chain rumors suggest development is well underway. That explains why the drone community has become increasingly excited over the past few months. Whenever reliable leak sources begin discussing a new DJI product, it usually means something significant is getting closer. One of the biggest expectations surrounding the Air 4 is a major camera upgrade. DJI has consistently improved image quality with every generation, and many insiders believe the Air 4 could continue that trend with a larger image sensor, better low-light performance, and improved dynamic range. If that happens, creators will be able to capture cleaner footage at sunrise, sunset, and even in challenging lighting conditions without carrying much heavier professional equipment. Another exciting possibility is improved video recording capabilities. Many fans are hoping for higher quality 4K recording with better color science, smoother frame rates, and more professional recording options. Whether you're creating cinematic travel videos, YouTube content, real estate footage, or social media reels, these improvements could make editing much easier while delivering an even more premium final result. But camera quality is only one part of the story. DJI has also been investing heavily in artificial intelligence, intelligent subject tracking, and obstacle sensing. That means that Air 4 may not simply fly better. It could become much smarter in the air, helping creators capture complex shots with far less effort than before. And that's where things start getting really interesting. If the latest leaks are accurate, flight performance could become one of the DJI Air 4's biggest selling points. DJI has always been known for stable and reliable flight, but this time, the company is expected to focus on making the drone even more confident in difficult conditions. Stronger wind resistance, smoother hovering, and more precise positioning could allow creators to capture shots that previously required much more expensive equipment. Battery life is another area where people are expecting meaningful improvements. One of the biggest challenges for drone pilots is running out of power during the perfect shot. That's why many reports suggest DJI is working to extend the Air 4's flight time beyond its predecessor. Even a few extra minutes in the air can make a huge difference when you're filming landscapes, traveling, or recording important events. More time in the sky means fewer battery swaps and more opportunities to capture the footage you really want. Speed and responsiveness could also receive noticeable upgrades. DJI may introduce a more efficient propulsion system that delivers quicker acceleration, smoother braking, and better overall control. Whether you're following a moving vehicle, tracking someone running through a forest, or capturing fast-paced sports, these improvements could make every movement feel far more cinematic and professional. Of course, one of the most exciting rumors revolves around obstacle avoidance. DJI has consistently improved this technology over the years, and the Air 4 could feature an even more advanced sensing system capable of detecting obstacles from multiple directions with greater accuracy. If that happens, flying in complex environments like forests, city streets, or rocky landscapes could become safer and much less stressful, especially for newer pilots. Then there's intelligent subject tracking. DJI's active track technology has already become one of the best in the industry, but many enthusiasts believe the Air 4 could take it to another level. Imagine the drone automatically following a cyclist through winding mountain roads, keeping a runner perfectly centered, or smoothly tracking a boat across open water with minimal input from the pilot. These are exactly the kinds of upgrades content creators have been asking for. Another area that could see improvements is image transmission. DJI's latest transmission systems have already impressed users with long-range and stable live video, but the Air 4 may deliver an even stronger connection with lower latency and a clearer live view. That means you'll have more confidence while flying farther away, making it easier to compose cinematic shots without constantly worrying about signal interruptions. All of these rumors point toward one clear goal. DJI doesn't just want the Air 4 to be another drone with slightly better specifications. The company appears to be building a smarter, more reliable flying camera that helps creators spend less time managing the drone and more time focusing on storytelling. And that's only part of what makes this drone so exciting, because the next leak suggests DJI could also be planning some major changes to the design, controller, and overall user experience. Beyond the camera and flight performance, DJI may also introduce several quality of life improvements that could make the Air 4 much more enjoyable to use every day. While the overall design is expected to stay familiar, leaked information suggests DJI could refine the body with better cooling, improved aerodynamics, and a more efficient folding mechanism. These changes might not look dramatic at first glance, but they can improve stability, reduce noise, and make the drone easier to carry during travel. The controller is another area where DJI could surprise users. Many people are expecting compatibility with the latest RC controllers featuring a brighter built-in display, smoother controls, and faster software. If that happens, pilots will spend less time waiting for updates or connecting smartphones, and more time flying. Combined with DJI's refined fly app, planning routes, adjusting camera settings, and using intelligent flight modes could become even more seamless. There are also rumors that DJI is improving automated flight features. Functions like quick shots, master shots, hyperlapse, waypoint missions, and advanced return to home could become smarter and more reliable. Instead of constantly controlling every movement, creators may be able to let the drone handle complex cinematic shots automatically while they focus on getting the perfect composition. Now let's talk about the expected release date and price. At the time of recording, DJI has not officially announced the Air 4. However, based on recent industry leaks and previous DJI launch patterns, many sources expect the drone to arrive sometime in late 2026. As for pricing, there's no official confirmation yet, but it's expected to remain competitive within the Air series, making it an attractive option for creators who want premium features without stepping up to DJI's flagship drones. If these rumors prove accurate, the DJI Air 4 could become one of the best all-round drones for YouTubers, travel filmmakers, photographers, and content creators. Of course, until DJI makes everything official, it's important to treat these details as leaks, rather than confirmed specifications.